everybody. It's Mark with Mark's Home Hobbies. How you guys doing this morning? Just waking up here, having a cup of coffee. Thought I'd give you a little update and that type of stuff. There's the Camaro body over here. Let's get this out here and I'll show you what we got going on. There's a Camaro body that I did, and you can see how this is. It's not quite shelled out. There's a little bit of problems right here in the middle of the model, and the wall thickness is a little too thick, so this model right here weighs quite a bit. I mean, you can tell just by that noise, it's heavy. This right here is a Mustang Boss 302. Look at the detail on the back there. You can see the taillights. By golly, there's even a little horsey on that front, on the emblem there. But you can't really see it. Maybe once it's painted, you'll be able to see it. I did a very good job. You can see the shell is much better on this one. Much more respectable, about 2 millimeters thick. Also did some mounting posts in here. I think they're in the wrong spot though, so I have to cut those out. The back diffuser came out very good. The back came out rather good. I mean, there's a few holes here and there. I have to inspect my files a little bit better. You can see a couple of holes I need to fix right there with a little bit of putty. But overall, look at the finish on that guy. That is smooth, let me tell you. Smooth as a baby's behind. I really wouldn't even really have to sand it, I don't think, except to remove some of the little debris that's on there. So I just give it a light touch on the sanding there, and I don't want to take anything off, and give her a coat of paint. And this one here, it's going to require some grinding around in here so we can get the chassis to fit in there. I may go ahead and just redo this model and reprint it. Now that I found the secret to printing these car bodies out, it seems. I did not know how to do it for weeks, and then I discovered a little trick. If you ask me in the channel, in the comment, I may tell you that little trick. And it's something that every 3D car body printer should probably know if you want to get results like that out of your 3D printer. First off, I'll tell you, it's going to take some time. It's about 8 hours on each one of these prints right here. That's 8 hours, another 8 hours, plus all the time designing and getting the printer ready and all that stuff. Make sure you got enough resin in the tank to do the model, which surprisingly doesn't require all that much. I've put a lot of resin in there before, and I've still been printing. So the last 3 car bodies that have came out of the same tank of resin without any interruption. I've got another one printing too right now. Should be just about done. Go down and see if it's done, because if it's done, my bodies for the American Racing Legends series are now complete, and I can move on to the next step, which would be painting, finishing, and all that, and making sure they fit onto the chassis, fitment. This one here I may end up having to reprint, because it may just be too much work. I think it would be easier if I just corrected the STL file and redid it. Even though this body is nice, I may still keep it for something, and it is the proper proportion. You can see it takes a special size for this car, and if the body is not that size, it's not that easy to get it in there. So the body has to be a minimum of a certain size. The more closer you can get it to the original size, the better you're going to get. Better results you're going to get, I should say. I found my own little magic formula of numbers, so I'm sticking to that. But anyways, I'm pretty pleased with this Mustang. Hope it looks good painted as it does in person. I will show you the end results, of course, and as with this one and the new one that's coming out, which is a secret. So if you want to see what kind of car I'm printing out next, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, could you give me a like too? I'm trying to grow my channel up here, trying to offer you guys some really good 3D printer content, electric bike scrapping content, cool cars, computer stuff, AutoCAD, your requests. I mean, if you have a request for something, a part or something for me to do on the car, just put it in the comments, okay? You never know. I might just do it. I can design just about anything using the CAD program that I have. If you're interested in that, you should watch some of the CAD videos that I have. I'll show you how to do it if you have a 3D printer. It's pretty easy. I could teach someone how to do the CAD in probably 15 or 20 minutes. Tell you the truth, it's really not that hard using the right programs. So anyways, if you like this kind of content, click the like button, hit subscribe, and this is Mark with Mark's Home Hobby saying see you in the next one.